What a crazy moment for Mzansi Television. The stars have spoken and the talent has been rewarded, which means all the hard work and effort has been rewarded at the end of the day, as Bonko Khoza, Banele Osanele and Nelsiwe Faith Sibiya, who brought Zama to life on Itonga, have officially walked away with the Best Actor Award at the prestigious South African Film and Television Award, of which is SAFTA in short, guys, aka SAFTA. Their performance shook screens and moved heart and kept viewers glued to their screen every single episode. This is not just a win for them, it is a massive victory for the storytelling in Mzansi. From powerful scenes to unforgettable moments, these two prove that true talent will always shine. As we congratulate Bonko and Nelsiwe, guys, here's Bonko and Nelsiwe collecting their SAFTA's award.
Gukhoza umsuthu umkhathini. My goodness, thank you so much. Firstly, I would like to thank God, my Lord and Savior. I'd like to take the credit, but I can't. Nextly, I want to thank my parents. They're in the room. Mom and Dad, I love you so much. Every prayer they prayed before every audition. I want to thank my wife for being my pillar and my strength. I want to thank my daughter. She gives me a reason to wake up every morning. I want to thank Chedza, Patu, Gwydion, Ginelwe, the crew, the cast. Mzansi, Aikale.
SAFTA for Best Actress in a Telenovela goes to Nelisiwe Sibiya and Zamahlobo Zamantanzi in Itonga.
And then I deserve it now. Come on. Over to you, Bonko.
No, she does. She does. I was there for 160 episodes. We both did, and they say the proof is in the pudding. So yeah, very good.
And Bonko, you played a role that was sort of.
Of course, we have seen the talent, the hard work and effort and commitment, guys. At the end of the day, they gave their all, guys, as the character Zama and Sanele, guys. So yes, at the end of the day, they deserve it. Congratulations to both of them, guys. If you have any opinion or any review about this, you can leave them in the comment section. I really love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.